guys? Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are on my new 16 to 35 millimeter lens with an f2.8 aperture. This is the version 3, and I'm shooting in manual right now just to see how great I can get this to turn out just in manual. So this is a massive lens. I'm holding it now in my hand. You don't even need a Gorilla tripod, to be honest with you, but what I love about it is super wide. I got it pretty close to my face right now, and you know, I can see the background pretty clearly. It is not like my 22 millimeter lens where I could have it this close and you would be seeing pretty much in my mouth, which no one who vlogs wants to deal with. Now, I do not have my ND filter on here yet. I'm still waiting for it to come in the mail, which will kill a lot of this washed out, overexposed. This light is super bright over here, and the lens just can't pick it up right now because it's just too much light coming in when I got this wide open aperture shooting in manual with my ISO at 100. So, and I'm shooting in 24 frames per second, so to double that, my shutter speed is at 1/50. So I'm in the correct settings right now, but even in manual, when you're shooting on a camera like this and using a lens like this, you still need an ND filter, which is what I've ordered, which should be coming in soon in a few days. And you just need an ND filter, pretty much. You're just gonna need one because it's just too bright. The natural light just overpowers any lens a man can make. The lens is just not going to be able to handle that much light when you're that wide open aperture wise. Now let's just start her up. And the car won't start. It's always nice. Let's try closing the door first.
During parking mode, motion detection recording. Over 10 occurred. GPS connected.
And I was smelling a slight bit of electrical burn, and that may be the problem. My car will not start right now, so I do not know what's going on. Let's see. Alright, so this isn't good. I was starting to smell an electrical burn smell for the last 2 days, and now I've come to a car that will not start. So let me just try to get out, close the door, lock it, and try again. But looks like I'm screwed. I'm not happy right now. Alright, let's try this again. Let's try to start this car. And this car will not start. I'm hearing a click, and that's about it. Not good. Not good at all.
During parking mode, motion detection recording. 1 and event detection recording. 1 occurred. GPS connected.
Alright, this is a little disturbing. It does not appear to be the battery. The battery is fine.
Continuous recording will now start.
Power steering assist. I'm getting all these different messages, and I'm getting a Chrysler symbol on my car. This is strange. So definitely not good. I do not know what's going to have to happen from this point, but it looks like I cannot drive my car. It will not start. All right, I'm just going to pop the hood and see if I can see what could possibly be going wrong. Alright, I do not know why this car will not start. I started to smell a slight electrical burn smell yesterday, and I put it on video with my GoPro, and the car started up this morning with no problem, and I came to work and now it will not start. So I'm not sure what's going on, but definitely something isn't right. Not good. Yeah, no smell now. It looks like the smell may have just worn off after sitting here for all this time, and this is definitely not good. I'm gonna see if I can get a jump from one of my coworkers, and then I'll pick back up with you guys in a minute. All right, so I just realized I may have roadside assistance. I don't know if it's 5 years, I can't remember. I thought I would never have to deal with this, but let me just hit this to where it turns turns it to run. I keep getting this Chrysler logo on the car, which is weird. I mean, yeah, we know it's Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, but when that shows up, power steering assist off service system.
Recording 1 occurred. GPS connected.
I mean, I don't even think my Uconnect is even coming on for me to even be able to do anything with this.
Continuous recording will now start.
All right, I've been sitting here and I'm seeing this message. When I step on the brake and hit the start button, I get this message where it says, you'll see it coming up soon. Here it is, power steering assist off service system. That's what I keep getting. So I don't know what's going on. If something's going on with the power steering assist, I'm not really sure, but this slight electrical burning smell that I was smelling all yesterday when I got in my car and started it up and drove home, and then this morning I can smell it very loudly, and I don't know if something went wrong electrical, but the car won't start. The battery seems fine. All right, guys, so I may have figured something out. Looks like this problem may be my alternator. Now, when I step on the brake and try to push button start the car, you just hear a click, and I was smelling that electrical burning smell yesterday, and I was just thinking in my mind it had to be either the battery or the alternator, but all the lights come on, so it can't be the battery. So I called up the dealership, spoke to my guy Ricky, who helps me out. He's one of the service consultants there. This guy's amazing. Sure enough, he gives me the number to roadside assistance and tells me my car is definitely covered under warranty, like we already knew. But I'm gonna call them now and try to get on this. I don't know if you guys can make the...
Thank you for calling Chrysler Roadside Assistance. If you are calling for the first time and your vehicle is currently disabled, requiring roadside services, please press 1 now.
1.
For all other calls...
This call and any subsequent calls may be recorded. If this is a medical emergency or your safety is at risk, hang up now and call 911. I have detected that you're calling from 3. Is this a good number to call you back in case we get disconnected?
Yes.
Thanks. If you need to call us back later, this number will be used as your reference number. I see you are calling from a mobile phone. Let's use it to find your exact location and submit your roadside request. Press 1 so I may send your smartphone a text link. Thanks. In just a moment, you'll receive a text message. Don't hang up. I'm going to walk you through the process to submit a roadside request.
Shit, we going through this together, guys.
For a better experience, put your phone on speaker now. Go to your text messages now and tap the link in the message received. Please tap the link in the text message. To begin, select Start Roadside Request at the bottom of the page. I will guide you through a few steps so you can quickly complete and submit your roadside request. Move the map to adjust the pin to mark your location. Choose a problem type.
I don't know, looks like vehicle stuck. Need tow.
Please answer the following questions.
Will you be with the vehicle when service arrives? Yes. Do you know where you would like your vehicle towed? Yes. Both.
Okay, you are still covered for that tow.
Perfect.
Okay, have you reached out to the service provider to let them know that the vehicle will be coming in?
Yep, I told them. They gave me the number, and they told me their lot is open until 7:30 p.m. if I can make it.
Oh, okay. And may I send you a text message regarding your roadside service?
Say that again?
May I please send you a text message about your roadside service?
Yes.
Thank you. And I'll be sending the message to the telephone number, and in 3 data rates may apply. When I have secured service, I will send you the name, phone number of the service provider, and their estimated time of arrival. Now, is there anything else that I need to know about this event message?
That's pretty much it. It's in the parking lot. What is he coming in, a flatbed or what kind of truck?
Light duty wheel lift.
What was that?
A wheel lift.
Okay, yeah, all right. So yeah, I guess he can get in because I just have I had the guys kind of keep a spot open so he can get right in.
Okay. Okay. Well, I will go ahead and get this dispatched, and I want to thank you for calling Chrysler Roadside Assistance. My name is Keontae, and help is on the way.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
All right, bye. All right, man, just like that, these texts come in real fast. These people do not play around, and so far, immaculate customer service. So that's the purpose of my channel, to be able to help you guys if, God forbid, you ever have to go through this. So your car should be covered under warranty with roadside assistance. I don't know if it's 3 years or 5 years. I'll find out. So I just spoke with a customer service rep. Most of that, hopefully you guys saw on video. Some of that I had to cut out for my personal information. And they send you a text to let you know the company that's on their way. I should be expecting them within the next hour. So we're just going to wait it out, man. They're going to tow my car from here to the dealership, and that's it. The car's on a warranty, and we will see what happens from here, guys. All right, guys, I'm just sitting here waiting for roadside assistance. So far, I can't say anything bad about their customer service. They seem to want to help me like I was a part of their family. So I got a guy showing up within the hour to tow my car from here at this location to my dealership on Boston Road. And I guess, you know, this all happened for a reason. Right now, this car is just a materialistic thing, so I can't be extremely pissed off. Thank God the car is still covered under warranty. I don't have to pay for the tow. I don't have to pay for the repairs. I just got to sit here right now and just be inconvenienced. Maybe it happened for a reason. Maybe it prevented me from getting into an accident. Who knows? But you never know. Everything happens for a reason. So Genzilla is down, guys. For the first time in over 2 years, Genzilla is down. Shooting it on my new 16 to 35mm lens, which looks amazing, by the way. And I don't even have my ND filter that I ordered to make it look even more cinematic. So we're just sitting here waiting for them to show up. You know, I'm not going to film too much. All I can really say is the car won't start. I'm assuming it's got to be the alternator. It has got to be the alternator. So the car is under warranty. Hopefully it's something as minor as that. You know, I was smelling that slight electrical burn smell yesterday. Got in my car, started it up, drove home, started to smell this electrical burn smell yesterday. Got all the way home, parked it in for the night, woke up this morning, got outside. I could smell that burn smell all the way down my driveway. Before I even got to the car, at least 60 feet from my car, I could smell this burn smell. Got to my car, drove it to work, no problem. Checked for diagnostic codes, no stored messages, no codes. Got in my car after 8 hours of work, and just a clicking sound. When I try to start it, click, as you guys saw. Push on the brake, step on the brake, hit the push button start, click. The battery, all the lights are still on, so it cannot be the battery, and it's got to be the alternator. I'm hoping that's what it is. From what I'm hearing, when you get that electrical burn smell, it is more than likely your alternator.
Income is 2 of us, yeah, and the income is 2 of us, so it'll be a little over 100,000 a year. Yeah, 2.
All right, guys, so the car is here at the dealership. The tow did a good job at getting my car here, and I will be back here tomorrow morning to see what is going on with this car. But just like that, guys, Genzilla is down. The car is back at the dealership here at EASTCHESTER, and I will see what they tell me in the morning. So I'm going to call up an Uber and take an Uber out of here, but she is down. Just saw my guy Javier. He is promoted to manager now, so looks like I lost my guy Javier, but I'll be doing videos on my own now, just with the cars here. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. She's down. The car is down.